We are you. One of the things we've always been proud of at White Sands Federal Credit Union is the fact that we are one of you, our member owners. Our staff, managers, board of directors, and other volunteers are all local and are an intrinsic part of the communities we live in. Our foundation has and always will be our membership. We ended 2014 with more than 27,900 members, all eager to take advantage of the many benefits of credit union participation. Now, here's Chairman of the Board, Jack Randall.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jack Randall. I'm the Chairman of the Board of White Sands Federal Credit Union. On behalf of all the employees, the staff, let me welcome you to our 62nd annual meeting. You can do some quick math and you'll see that we started the credit union in 1952, started by pioneers at White Sands Federal Credit Union. Since that time, as the saying goes, we've come a long way, baby. We've grown quite a bit. So let me tell you about what we're going to do this year. We're having 3 simultaneous meetings. One up in TRC, one in El Paso, and one in Las Cruces. And each one of these will be the same. We will have food at those, and we will have door prizes. You each paid $5 for a ticket to attend this meeting. I'm happy to tell you that the proceeds from the tickets, we donated those to the Wounded Warrior Project. Couldn't be a better project. We're able to give them a check for $1,000. We had a wonderful year in 2014. Let me give you some of the highlights. We ended the year with 27,900 members. We helped 2,663 members buy a new vehicle or a used automobile. We put 83 members and their families in new homes. We made $1.1 million income. Now, when I say income, some of you immediately say, you're nonprofit. Yes, we are nonprofit. That money is used to buy and make improvements to the credit union assets and to buy new equipment and to lower the rates that we charge you for loan. We paid $876,000 in dividends to you, our members. Our deposit increased by $3.4 million last year. Our assets grew by $4.3 million, ending the year with about $265 million and a few change. Our net worth is now over $22 million. That's the total liquidation assets of the credit union. Our outstanding loans increased by $22 million. Our delinquency rate is 0.25, 25 basis points, 1/4%, which is well below peer of 1.07. We introduced our mobile deposit app, which allows members to deposit checks from their mobile phone. Our mobile deposit app already has over 1,000 users that have made 1,500 deposits. Over 10,000 members do their banking with us online. We installed a new lending platform that makes loan approval faster and more efficient, and even instantaneous in some cases.
We are community. Giving back to the community is always a priority for your credit union. In 2014, the credit union and its staff raised and donated over $30,000 for various charitable causes in our communities. We were able to give 5 $1,000 scholarships to member students attending college. We supported numerous golf tournaments, youth sports teams, local schools, and scout troops. Here again, Chairman of the Board, Jack Randall.
We donated over $30,000 to various charities in the community. Let me name a few of those for you. Muscular Dystrophy, March of Dime, the 6-man tournament support at New Mexico State basketball, Cowboys for Cancer Research, Crime Stoppers of Las Cruces, Hillsborough Community Library, Elephant Butte Balloon Regatta, El Paso Children's Hospital Playroom, El Paso Rescue Mission, and Wismer Tri-Service Awards Program that honors the best of the best at White Sands.
We sincerely thank our employees who signed up for a charity walk, participated in various fundraising events, and volunteered to teach financial literacy. We thank our members who purchased candy, cupcakes, and hot dogs from our staff throughout the year to assist our fundraising efforts. Our Do a Good Deed program, which is wholly funded by our staff, was able to make sizable donations to the Truth or Consequences Sierra County Cancer Assistance Program, White Sands Elementary School, the Family and Youth After School Program in Las Cruces. Our employees donated 6 mini iPads to the El Paso Children's Hospital Playroom.
Good evening. My name is Patty Wagner, and I'm the treasurer of White Sands Federal Credit Union. I also serve as the chairman of the Supervisory Committee. As you probably know, the Supervisory Committee is made up of volunteer members who have been appointed by the Board of Directors. We meet on a regular basis to monitor the overall safety and soundness of the credit union. To ensure this, we contract with an independent accounting firm to audit the credit union's records. In 2014, we hired the accounting firm of Bollinger, Segers, Gilbert, and Moss to perform an audit of the credit union. We are happy to report that our credit union is being operated in an efficient and proper manner. The audit concluded that White Sands Federal Credit Union is in an excellent financial condition and the credit union's assets are safe and secure. We're confident that White Sands Federal Credit Union remains in compliance with all National Credit Union Administration regulations and guidelines. I am also responsible for delivering election results to the Board of Directors. The terms of 3 board members expired this month and they were up for re-election. Those board members are Jack Randall, Kenneth McCardle, and Michael Paraguay. A call for nominations was publicized. However, there were no nominations from our membership as of the deadline, November 15, 2014. In accordance with the White Sands Federal Credit Union's charter and bylaws, which are approved by the National Credit Union Administration and state that an election will not be conducted by mail or ballot, and there will be no nominations from the floor when there is only one nominee for each position filled. Jack Randall, Kenneth McCardle, and Michael Paraguay will each serve another 3-year term on the board. Thank you.
We are prepared. As financial regulations and market conditions change, your board of directors and management staff make ongoing efforts to ensure soundness and security. In 2014, we continue our practice of reviewing and updating credit union policies and procedures to accommodate new industry standards. In addition, our staff receive training on issues involving regulations and security, as these are essential to safety and overall performance. We stay at the forefront of technology, and we continually invest in our infrastructure. Because of the expertise and competence of our Information Systems Department, our systems that provide member service such as tellers, phone banking, and online banking were up 99.7% of the time. We are looking forward. In closing, we would like to thank you, the member owners of this credit union, for your loyalty and your patronage. We thank our staff and our volunteers for all that they do. Their hard work and their dedication make the credit union the success that it is. Our main goal in 2015 will be to continue to offer friendly and efficient service and competitive deposit and loan rates. This is the bulwark of our success and will always be our primary focus.
In closing this, the 62nd annual meeting of your credit union, we thank you for being here, and we thank you for your support of the credit union. We, the Board of Directors, and the management and staff at White Sands Credit Union always stand ready to help you in any way that we can. We hope you have a wonderful evening, and thank you again for attending.